How to fix Z-Archiver access is denied problem in 2026 guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the access is denied problem in Z-Archiver step by step. If you're unable to open, extract, or move files, don't worry, this will fix it. Let's get started. First, open your phone settings. Now, go to Apps and find Z-Archiver. Tap on it, then go to Permissions. Here, make sure storage or files and media access is set to Allow. If it's already enabled, turn it off and then turn it back on. Now go back and tap on Storage and Cache, then tap Clear Cache. This helps fix temporary bugs that may be causing the issue. Next, open the Z-Archiver app again. When prompted, make sure you grant access to your internal storage. If you still see the error, try this. Tap on the three lines in Z-Archiver, go to Settings, then enable Use SAF, Storage Access Framework. This is very important for newer Android versions like Android 12, 13, and above. After enabling it, go back and reselect the folder you want to access. Also, make sure the file or folder is not read-only or restricted by another app. And if nothing works, update the app from the Google Play Store. And as a last step, restart your phone. And that's it. Your access is denied problem in Z-Archiver should now be fixed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Rock it!